Don Luke Electronics. The Alpha Geek, geeking out. If you go to bed at night without learning something new that day, your day is not complete. Luke Paquin, 1973. Project number 30, UNIHIKER, Ambient Light Sensor, Mk02. UNIHIKER Ambient Light Sensor. A light sensor is a photoelectric device that converts light energy, photons, detected to electrical energy, electrons. There is more to a light sensor than just its definition. It comes in different types and is used in various applications. This project provides a foundation for home lighting design, whether adjusting brightness levels in work areas or creating a cozy atmosphere in bedrooms, making it a practical tool. It measures the ambient light level of your surroundings and determines the suitable brightness of your screen.
Now the ambient sensor here, and this perfect, and now Python, the version here, the display here, the time, ping pong cards here, display here, boards good, this here the board, now this draw here and the image here, and the implement sensor here, value here, image here, and light here, text and ambient light here, and sleep. So perfect. Now Eker the chroma here, this the here, perfect here, this here, the now switch for the light here, so see the difference for this, so this perfect now, and see now the switch here for battery and the programming here. Now 2 minutes and see light bad, so here, this here, this run programming here, root here, this Photons here, so see and see, and now good, this here the lights is good here, the light because the camera here, but now the light nothing or here, and now back here, and this for light here and up, now down, and here the light here, and perfect. So is good for sensor for light. Bye bye.
Don Luke Electronics. https://www.jlpconsultants.com/luc. JLP Consultants. Facebook, YouTube, Twitter, Pinterest, Instagram.